Does YouTube TV have original content? YouTube TV itself does not produce original content, but you can access YouTube Originals and other exclusive programming through the YouTube app or YouTube Premium subscription, which is separate from YouTube TV. Access to YouTube Originals. What are YouTube Originals? These are exclusive shows, movies, and series created by YouTube, often featuring prominent creators and unique concepts. How to access on YouTube TV. While YouTube Originals are not directly integrated into YouTube TV, subscribers can access these through the regular YouTube app or by subscribing to YouTube Premium. YouTube TV content sources. Third-party channels. YouTube TV provides live and on-demand content from networks like ABC, FOX, CNN, ESPN, and more. These channels include their own exclusive shows but are not created by YouTube TV, sports and live events. YouTube TV offers exclusive access to certain live sports events and pay-per-view options but does not produce its own original programming. Conclusion: YouTube TV does not have original content. Its programming is sourced from traditional networks and live TV channels. If you're looking for original programming from YouTube, you'll need to access YouTube Originals through YouTube Premium or the standard YouTube app.